Good morning, students. This is Sri Lakshmi from Pragati Degree College. Okay. In last class, we can discuss the reference electrodes. That means hydrogen electrode and calomel electrode. Okay. Then, in this class, we can discuss the electrode potential. Electrode potential. It is indicated with E. Okay. What is electrode potential? Electrode potential means the potential developed by metal. We know galvanic cell. Okay. Galvanic cell contains two oxygens. Okay. Two oxygens. Each oxygen can contain metal rod and its solution of its own ions. Okay. And these two are connected to the salt bridge. This is galvanic cell. Okay. Electrode potential means the potential developed by metal. Okay. This is zinc rod, for example. This is ZnSO4 solution. Okay. That means the potential. These are anode. This is cathode. Anode is negative in electrochemical cell. Anode is negative and cathode is positive. Okay. Electrodes means this anode and cathode. Okay. Electrode potential means the potential developed by metal. Okay. Having its own ions. Okay. The potential developed by metal is contact with the solution having some ions is called electrode potential. Okay. Then standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. It is indicated with E naught. Okay. This means it is defined as the potential developed by metal. Okay. This is the metal electrode. The potential developed by metal is contact with the solution. Of some ions. Solution of some ions having 1 molar concentration. Having 1 molar concentration is called standard electrode potential. Okay. Electrode potential means the potential developed by metal is contact with the solution of some ions is called electrode potential. Standard electrode potential means the potential developed by metal is contact with the solution of some ions having 1 molar concentration is called standard electrode potential. Okay. Next, reversible cell. Reversible cell. Reversible cell means what is reversible reaction? Reversible reaction means this is any electrolyte. That means any substance can be decomposed into A plus B minus. For example, okay. That means AB can be dissociated to form A plus and cation and anion. These two ions combine to form this also. Okay. This is reversible reaction. Okay. AB నుంచి మనకి ions form అవుతాయి. Ions నుంచి at the same time మనకి ఈ molecule అనేది form అవుతుంది. Okay. Two types of reactions are possible. So this is reversible reaction. Okay. Here reversible cell. Reversible cell means reversible cells are the cell of the electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell means anode is negative and cathode is positive. Example is galvanic cell. Okay. The cell of electrochemical cell whose cell reaction is reversed. Okay. Whose cell reaction is reversed when an external EMF, electromotive force, an external EMF of greater than its capacity is applied. That means for galvanic cell, anodic reaction is, this is anode. The anodic reaction is Zn. Okay, Zn can be oxidized to form Zn plus 2 electrons, loss of electrons. So this is oxidation. Next, in cathodic cell, Cu plus 2 can gain lost these 2 electrons, that means these 2 electrons, to form copper metal. Okay, in this case reduction can be takes place. Okay, the cell reaction is, that means the net reaction is Zn plus Cu plus 2 will give rise to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. Okay, this is the EMF of the cell. Okay, EMF of the galvanic cell or electrochemical cell or redox reaction also. Okay, or cell reaction also. Okay, here reversible cell means the cell whose cell reaction. Okay, the cell whose reaction is, the cell reaction is reversible. Okay, reversible cell means electrochemical cell. The cell of the electrochemical cell whose cell reaction is reversed when an external EMF is greater than its capacity is applied. Okay, for example, I can take galvanic cell. Okay, galvanic cell is represented as, this is copper rod and copper sulfate solution is dipped in it. So copper sulfate solution is taken in a Hopf cell. Okay, it is represented as Zn Hopf cell, Zn plus 2, that means ZnSO4. Okay, in anodic cell, we can already discuss, in anodic cell the metal rod is written first and then its ions. Okay, in cathodic cell the ions are written first. Ions means here copper sulfate, CuSO4, by then its electrode. Okay, these two R cells are connected to the salt bridge, that is this. Okay, this is the representation of galvanic cell. Okay, this is the representation of galvanic cell. Okay, the EMF of the galvanic cell is, EMF of this cell, galvanic cell, is 1.09 volts. Okay, the EMF of the, this is EMF of the reaction, electromotive force. The EMF of the galvanic cell is 1.09 volts. Okay, the external EMF of the, if you can add external EMF. Okay, the external EMF of, the external EMF is same 1.0 volts. Okay, actually the EMF of the cell, that means galvanic cell, is 1.09 volts. Okay, the external EMF is, that means 1.09 volts. Okay, is applied to the cell reaction. The external EMF 1.09 volts is applied to the cell reaction, then the reaction can stop. Okay, the EMF of the galvanic cell is 1.09 volts. Okay, the external EMF 1.09 volts is applied to this cell reaction, then the cell reaction can stop. Okay, next, if we can add external EMF is greater than 1.09 volts. Okay, if the external EMF is greater than 1.09 volts is applied to the cell reaction, you can add, and external EMF is greater than 1.09 volts, then the reaction is reversed. Okay, that means Zn plus 2 plus copper will give rise to Zn plus Cu plus 2. Okay, then in this galvanic cell this reaction is possible. Okay, if you can add EMF is greater than its capacity, that means 0.9 volts. Okay, 1.09 volts. Okay, this EMF is applied this cell reaction, then the reaction is reversed. Okay, these type of cell reactions are called reversible cell. This type of cells are called reversible cell. Okay, reversible cell means the chemical cell, that means the electrochemical cell whose cell reaction is reversed. When an external EMF is greater than its capacity is applied. Okay, for example, here I can take galvanic cell. The representation of galvanic cell is this. This is anodic of cell, this is cathodic of cell. Then the net reaction is this. Okay, this is the net reaction. Okay, then the EMF of the actual galvanic cell is 1.09 volts. Okay, we can apply the external EMF, same 1.09 volts is applied, then the cell reaction is stops. Okay, then this cell reaction can stops. If you can add external EMF is greater than its capacity, that means 1.09 volts. Okay, then the cell reaction is reversed. Okay, then this type of reaction is possible. Okay, these type of cells are called reversible cells. Next, irreversible cells. Irreversible cells. Irreversible cells means the cells of electrochemical cells whose cell reaction is not reversed. Okay, when an external EMF is greater than its capacity is applied. Okay, మనం external EMF అప్లై చేసిన మనకి ఇది రివర్సిబుల్ రియాక్షన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. మనం irreversible cells అన్నమాట. Okay, what is irreversible cells? The electrochemical cell whose cell reaction cannot be reversed. When an external EMF is greater than its capacity is applied. Okay, here for example I can take the cell Zn as an anode and copper as cathode. Okay, and sulfuric acid is an electrolyte. Okay, I can take the electrochemical cell. Okay, this is galvanic cell. This is Zn as an anode. Next cathode is copper is an cathode. Then H2SO4 solution is taken in an electrolyte. Here zinc sulfate solution and copper sulfate solution is taken in an electrolyte. But in this electrochemical cell we can take sulfuric acid is taken an electrolyte. Okay, this particular cell is represented by first anodic cell Zn, then half cell, then electrolyte H2SO4, then we can write cathodic half cell Cu. Okay, this is the representation of this particular electrochemical cell. Okay, then in anodic half cell, in anode or a Zn can be oxidized. Here carbonics and also zinc rod can be oxidized. That means Zn will give rise to Zn plus 2 electrons. That means here oxidation can take place. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Okay. Then at cathodic part, at cathodic of cell, okay, here H2SO4 sulfuric acid is taken in electrolyte. So in this case H plus ions, SO4 2 minus ions are present. In these H plus ions can gain these 2 electrons to form hydrogen gas. Okay, this up arrow indicates the gas. Okay, here 2 hydrogen ions are taken. Gain of electrons. So this reaction is reduction reaction. Okay, in this reaction reduction can be takes place. The cell reaction is 2 electrons can cancel to form Zn plus 2 hydrogen atoms will give rise to hydrogen ions, H plus ions will give rise to Zn plus 2 plus hydrogen gas can be released. Okay, this is the cell reaction of this particular electrochemical cell. Okay, if you can add, okay, each cell reaction can have some EMF value. Okay, each cell reaction can have some EMF value. Okay, if we can add external EMF is greater than its capacity, if we can add external EMF is greater than its capacity is applied, the reaction will not be reversed. Okay, the reaction cannot reversed. Why? Because these are the products, these are the reactants. Aromatic side are products, it will be reactants. Okay, the one of the product is hydrogen gas. The one of the product is hydrogen gas is formed. This hydrogen gas is escaped from the electrode system. Okay, the hydrogen gas is escaped from the electrode system. So this is escaped. So this reversible reaction is not takes place. Okay, irreversible cell means the electrochemical cell whose cell reaction is cannot be reversed when an external EMF is greater than its capacity is applied. Why? Because here the one of the product is hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas is escaped from the electrode systems. So the reaction will not be takes place in reverse. These type of cells are called irreversible cells. Okay, students.